We are going to discuss the meaning of socialism. Birth of socialism was one of the important consequences of industrial revolution. In the course of industrial revolution, efforts were paid to improve the working condition of the laborers. So it was the consequences, the result of industrial revolution, right? And it was made why the socialism came into existence to improve the working condition of the laborers. Means the laborers who are working in the factories, their working condition were not suitable. And now we have the meaning of the term socialism. Different writers have defined the term socialism differently, but almost all have visualized active role of the state in the economy. Beowulf, one of the early socialist thinker, even went to the extent of visualizing republic of equals, whose welcoming doors will be open to all mankind. So different scholars or different writers have different definitions of the word socialism. And Beowulf was the first scholar, the first philosopher who gave us the definition of socialism in his book Republic of Equals. Right? Here is the definition. Socialism is defined as economic system in which the means of production are owned by not private individuals but by the community in order that all may share more fairly in the wealth produced. So socialism is totally uh, against the capitalism, right? It is opposite to the capitalism, right? It defines such an economic system in which means of production are owned by not owned by private individuals. In capitalism, means of production were owned by private individuals, but in socialism they are owned by a community group of laborers, working class, it means, so that they can distribute the share fairly, the share of the produce, the share of the production. ठीक है, whatever is the production of their factory will be share equally in the community. वो सभी में आपस में बराबर में वो उसके हिस्सेदार बनेंगे. ठीक है. प्राइवेट कैपिटलिज्म में होता था कि जो प्राइवेट ओनर था वो सारे का सारा जो प्रोडक्शन थी, जो प्रोड्यूस थी, जो फ़ायदा जो मिलता था वो सारा का सारा अपनी पॉकेट में रखता था. सोशलिज्म में ये सारा का सारा जो फ़ायदा है, जो सरप्लस वैल्यू ऑफ मनी है, वो सभी आपस में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे. सो इट वाज द सोशलिज्म.